dear students, welcome back to English class. In the previous video, we started learning a new story, The Kabuliwala, written by Rabindranath Tagore. It was a story of a friendship between a young girl named Minnie and a Kabuliwala. Minnie was a talkative girl and she was a curious girl. She used to ask a lot of questions. In the beginning, she was scared of Kabuliwala and later they became friends. Now, dear students, let us read the rest of the story and find out what happened next. One day, there was a terrible uproar in the street. Rahman had stabbed a man who owed him money. He was sentenced to many years in prison. Time passed and Minnie forgot her old friend, the Kabuliwala. She was growing up into a maiden. We made arrangements for Minnie's wedding. Minnie was getting married that night. As I sat in my study, a man came up and saluted me respectfully. At first, I did not recognize him. I then saw that it was old Rahman, the Kabuliwala. I told him that there were ceremonies going on and that he should come on another day. So one day, there was a terrible uproar in the street. Uproar means loud noise, very loud noise made by people. Okay, so in the street, one day in the street, people were shouting. And what happened? Rahman had stabbed a man who owed him money. So some person was there who owed Rahman some money. And Rahman, our Kabuliwala, he stabbed that person. He stabbed that man. And Kabuliwala was punished for that act. He was sentenced to many years of prison. He was sent to prison for many years. So now the Kabuliwala is in prison. Now many years have passed and our little Minnie grew up and she forgot her old friend. She forgot the Kabuliwala. And she was growing up into a maiden. Now she has grown up and she now became a lady. And we made arrangements for Minnie's wedding. Now her father made arrangements for her wedding. So now her father arranged everything for Minnie's wedding. And on the day of her wedding, something happened. What was that? Minnie was getting married that night. As I sat in my study, a man came up and saluted me respectfully. So Minnie was getting married at that night. At that day, her father was sitting there and at that time a man came. And he saluted Minnie's father very respectfully. And who was that man? It was our Kabuliwala. At first, Minnie's father couldn't recognize him because many years have passed, isn't it? So there is a lot of change in Kabuliwala's look. So Minnie's father could not recognize him first. And then he saw that it was old Rahman, the Kabuliwala. And Minnie's father told the Kabuliwala that there were a lot of ceremonies going on today, so please come later. Just now you can go and you can come another day. He was about to leave when he turned around and said, "May I see the little one, sir?" He still thought of Minnie as a little girl running to him and calling Kabuliwala, "Oh Kabuliwala." He thought they would talk and laugh as they had long ago. I told him once more that there were ceremonies. He then gave me a small packet of dried raisins, nuts and almonds for Minnie and said, "Give these to the little one. I too have a little one like her and I think of her and bring you these fruits." Tears rolled down from my eyes. I forgot that he was a poor Kabuliwala. He was also a father. I called Minnie and she came out dressed in all her finery. So Minnie's father asked Kabuliwala to go and come back another day because some ceremonies were going on. So he was about to leave. Kabuliwala was about to leave and then he turned around and said that, "I want to see the little girl. I want to see the little Minnie." And Kabuliwala, he still thought that Minnie was that little girl who will be coming to him and calling him Kabuliwala, "Oh Kabuliwala." So he thought that, Kabuliwala thought that the little Minnie will come and they will sit together again and they will talk and laugh and all. But now, little Minnie, she has grown up, isn't it? She now became a lady. She is not the little Minnie anymore. The Kabuliwala wanted to see Minnie, but Minnie's father doesn't like that idea. He said that there are some ceremonies going on, so you please go and come back later. So what did Kabuliwala do? Kabuliwala took out a packet from his bag and he handed over that packet to Minnie's father. That packet contained raisins, nuts and almonds. Okay, and he asked Minnie's father to give Minnie this packet as a gift. And he said, "Give this to little one. I too have a little one like her. And I think of her and bring you these fruits." Tears rolled down from my eyes. Now, Minnie's father became so sad thinking about Kabuliwala. Even after many years, Kabuliwala has not forgotten Minnie. He came to meet Minnie after many years and he gave Minnie a gift, a packet full of nuts, raisins and almonds. So now Minnie's father is telling that I forgot that Kabuliwala was a poor man and he was also a father. And he called Minnie and Minnie now came out. The Kabuliwala was stunned. He had expected a little girl and instead there was a grown maiden. He suddenly realized that his own daughter would have grown up too. I took out some money and gave it to him and said, "Go and see your daughter Rahman and may you have happiness." I had to cut down the expenses for the wedding. We could not afford the military band or the electric lights. But to me, the feast was all the more brighter because of the thoughts that in a distant land, a long-lost father had again met his only child. The Kabuliwala was stunned. What do you mean stunned? Shocked. Kabuliwala was shocked to see Minnie. Why? Because Kabuliwala expected that little girl, a girl of 5-year-old. But now Minnie has grown up. She has become a maiden. She has become a lady, isn't it? She has grown up. So Kabuliwala was shocked to see that change. And suddenly he realized that his son daughter would have grown up. Kabuliwala had got a daughter of Minnie's age. And now he realized that his son daughter would have grown up like Minnie. I took out some money and gave it to him and said, "Go and see your daughter, Rahman." So Minnie's father took out some money from his pocket and gave to Rahman and asked him to go to his wife and his daughter. Rahman was in prison for many years, isn't it? So he does not have enough money to go to Afghanistan and to meet his daughter and wife. So our Minnie's father understood his position. He understood his situation and gave him some money. The money that Minnie's father gave to Rahman was the money kept for wedding. He gave that money to Rahman because he understood the situation of Rahman. He felt sorry for him. He felt sympathy towards Rahman. That is why he gave that money to Rahman. I had to cut down the expenses for wedding. Now he had given that money to Rahman, so he need to cut down the expenses of wedding. And he is telling that, Minnie's father is telling that he cannot afford military band or electric lights. Even though he cannot afford military band or electric lights, he is telling that the feast, the celebrations will be brighter and brighter because he can now feel that in a distant land, in a far away land, a long lost father, an unhappy, very sad father, a lost father is now going to meet his daughter.
So, dear students, we learned the story of Little Minnie and the Kabuliwala. I hope you all like the story. Thank you for watching.